Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name's Chris and today we are going to check out the Harbor Freight Quinn 66-piece Hi-Vis 6-point socket set. This socket set was released May of 2019 at $39.99. While the pictures online show 12-point sockets, I can assure you that this is in fact a 6-point socket set. Let's go take a look.
There's nothing like being the first person. Tear open the plastic.
I'll tell you guys, I really do like this case. It's pretty compact, coming at 13 3/4 inch by 9 inches, and the depth on it is just under 3 inches. So this can tuck really nicely behind a seat, in a trunk, and it's just a decent blow molded case.
Let's go ahead and open this up. See what we got inside.
So once inside, we'll check out the metric first. You can see in 1/4 inch drive, you get 4mm and a 4.5mm all the way up to 13mm. So no skips here. They don't have an 8mm in the 3/8 inch drive, but it does start out at 9mm and it goes all the way up to 19mm without any skips. And these are all 6-point sockets. So looking here at the 19mm, I like that Hi-Vis on there. It had some very light chrome on the inside of the socket, but everything else looked really nice. Remember that this is a budget-friendly socket set coming in at $39.99 for 66 pieces, meaning before any discounts, these are roughly 60 cents an item, and that includes the ratchets. So let's go look at the ratchets here. It does have three 3-inch extensions in each drive, but here, let's check out the ratchet lengths.
You can see that the 1/4 inch comes in at roughly around 5 inches. 3/8 comes in at 7, and the 1/2 inch comes in at 9 3/4 inch. So all in all, that 72 tooth ratcheting mechanism, quick release.
This is a pretty impressive set for the price.
I think this would be the new bar for the cheapest priced, most decent little socket set. And then your SAE comes in at that 5/32, and that goes up to 1/2 inch. And then when you get to your 3/8 inch drive, you start out at 3/8 inch, and that goes all the way up to 13/16.
So to keep this a budget-minded socket set, they had to have some cost-cutting measures, which means you only get 5 SAE 1/2 inch drive sockets, as well as 4 1/4 inch deep sockets and 4 3/8 inch drive deep sockets. And again, those are all SAE, no metric. You get 2 spark plug sockets, 1 5/8 inch and 1 13/16 and 3/8 inch drive. You get 3 8-point bits. I really wish they would have had a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch reducer instead, but this is a nice blow molded case. It has a plastic hinge, so I think it'll hold up, and I do like this case. My takeaway for you guys is that this is one of the best budget-friendly socket sets available. You can use 20 and even 25% off coupons when available, making this a super deal. So if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming review of the 35-piece Quinn socket set, as well as the review of the Quinn 1/2 inch digital torque wrench. So go ahead and comment down below what you guys think of these upcoming Quinn products and what you think about them.
And as always, guys, work smarter, not harder. And I'll catch you in the next video.